Hallå? Kan man säga Hey babes and welcome to my channel på franska?
Bienvenue sur ma chaîne.
Heter det så?
Ja, jag tror det.
Okay. Hey babes and welcome to my channel. I don't know if that was right. That was supposed to be my boyfriend saying hi and welcome to my channel, I think. I don't know French. This is probably one of my stupidest videos ever. Almost as stupid as my how to look like a cool girl video that I did many years ago. But I actually got inspired by my friend Saline. She's from Denmark and she's a makeup artist and influencer. And I had one of her looks saved on my phone that I can include right here. And she wrote something about Paris, I think. Something about, you know, France. It was obviously inspired by the flag, and I thought to myself, that's a really cool look, I want to do it. I think it will look really cool with my red hair, and also because my boyfriend is French. So I thought it was perfect. If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. So we will first start off with the hydrating primer from Sleek. Also, excuse my face today. I just dyed my hair. It's a little bit wet still. I still have some hair dye still on my skin. And also I tried to dye my brows and they are now like purple. Yeah, that didn't really go as planned. Also, you might see that I am much paler on my face than my body because I fake tanned yesterday. So we are, for foundation, going to mix two of the shades of the NYX Professional Makeup Total Control Drop Foundation. For concealer, the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C1. And we're gonna use it to conceal and define, as the name says. I just had everything. We will use my trusty Nabla Close Up powder, and it is the absolute best powder out there that I actually had in my best of 2018 video. To contour, I will use the NYX Professional Makeup 3 Steps to Sculpt. And I think I will try and make my cheekbones look even sharper than usual. Let's try and shade it a little bit here. I'm also going to go in with this lighter shade and just highlight even more. I really like the super highlighted look, and I never really can do that when I'm as pale as I normally am. Also, as we won't really use glowy highlight, I'm thinking we can do even more with the matte highlight. For blush, we are going to go in with the new Pixie Glow in Pink Champagne Glow. This is a blush obviously with some glow in it, but that will do because I really wanna try it. Let's just mix all of them a little bit. Mostly the middle shade. Let's use a little bit on the nose, the lip. I don't really know what I thought about that. So I'm thinking I'll go in with some glow. Although I said that I wouldn't. We'll go in with the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Blossom Glow. This has like a pinkish glow as well. Yeah, forget everything that I said before. But let's not use too much. For brows, I will also go in with a new favorite that I also included in my best makeup of 2018. These are the Lime Crime Bushy Brow products, the Precision Pen and the Brow Gel. And both of these are the shade Smoky. Now for the eyeshadow palette and the main color of this look. I looked so long for the perfect blue eyeshadow and I had none of it until I finally found the Nabla Poison Garden in my new items box that I have. I mean, that is blue. That is a bright blue, and I'm so happy that I found it. But before we go in with eyeshadow, I think that we will go in with this gel liner from Inglot. These are so affordable. I think it's a Polish brand, is it? I think so. So we're just gonna go in with that and blend it all over my lid pretty much, and also underneath. Just gonna use some Duraline to make it more liquidy. This is going to be really good or really bad. I'm not really sure. Okay, I'm just gonna use another brush to try and shade it a little bit before it dries. I think it has kind of settled. Kinda. I'm just gonna go in with the blue shade in the Poison Garden palette and set it. I don't think it's the exact same blue, but I think it will work. This is such an easy look really, but I think it looks so cool. Blue is that kind of shade that no one really wants on their eyes, but when you dare to do it, it looks so cool. And now we're just going to blend this as much as we can, and I'm going to create like a cat eye, as I kind of already have. I'm thinking I will try this, and this might not work or become that cool looking like it is in my head, but I will go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Liquid Liner, the white one, and I will do like dots. So I'm just gonna do some dots in the inner corner. Okay, let's try it. Okay, I actually really like it, and I think that I will skip eyeliner because when I did the blue gel liner, I also did it in the waterline. So I don't really think that I will do any liquid eyeliner, but I will apply the Cocoa Lashes from Rouge and Rogue that I use every single day. And then I will just go in with a little bit of the Inglot X Jennifer Lopez mascara that I love. I have 3 shades of red here, and I don't know which one I want. I think I'm gonna go in with the last one, and that is Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored. I love this one. I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me. In bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. Alright, so that is the final look with, of course, the beret. Apparently, I'm not putting this on correctly, my boyfriend said, but you know what? I don't care. So yeah, that is the final look. I think it looks really, really cool. I know it's a lot of color, but it just works somehow. That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this look and this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you have not already. Check out my vlogging channel, and that's it. Alright, so I hope you guys will have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye guys!